Hello traders, welcome to my channel. So today we will talk about basically I have a lot of students who are like struggling to be profitable in binary options, right? So I mean, like, they are not earning the profits every single day. So I mean, like, they are struggling to be consistent. Basically in binary trading you have to be consistent, and what I focus mainly is on trading with the trend, and that's why my YouTube channel name is Trendy Trader, because it's like human psychology, it's like human psychology, like we always go against the trend, and that's why we are losing most of our trades. So it is better always to trade with the trend. So basically you can see that it's a major downtrend. So since about let's say like for 3 hours, and yeah, for 3 hours the market is in a downward direction, right? And now the minor trend is in an uptrend. So if so there are like about 70% chances that the trades we take will be a continuation of the major downtrend. But here if we look at the current price action, which is this minor uptrend, it is showing that the buyers are not interested, and that's why from this level over here the buyers entered very strongly and it reversed the market. But here you can see again the sellers came in because of this level of resistance right here, right? So you can see the sellers entered again because, and it's like they entered very strongly, and due to, you have to keep in mind that the major trend is a strong downtrend, right? Like, it is better to take trades with a trend rather than going against the trend. I mean, why should you go against the trend when you have opportunities to trade with the trend? Always remember that in a downtrend draw your level of resistance, and in an uptrend draw your level of support. So when you keep these things in your mind, then your trading will improve very good. Like, you will improve your trading, you will improve your winning ratio, right? Now you can see, like, we have like simple 3 candlesticks in a row. These were a clear win. Why? Basically we have a pattern. These 3 candlesticks, this is forming a candlestick pattern which is called the evening star, right? This is a candlestick formation, and like when these 3 candlestick appears, this is now an evening star pattern. First of all, in evening star there is a big green candlestick or red candlestick, and in the middle there is doji, spring top, or hammer, whatever it is, and then in the third there's also a candlestick, right? So this is an evening star. Evening star means that the trend will now reverse. So as you can see, the trend now reversed and the sellers came in very strongly, correct? Because the major trend was in a strong downtrend, so that's why it is following its zone, right? So this is a sign of reversal in the market. So basically you can see that the candlestick broke this level of support, and here we have a retest, and see, it went all the way down. So we had 2 trades here. Okay guys, sorry, I had to pause the video because I had some phone. So yeah, so as you were talking, that as you can see, we have a pattern of evening star here, right, which means that the trend wants to now continue down. But you can see the buyers entered again from this level, right, basically because of this uptrend, which is like a kind of a minor uptrend. You can see it's because it's a minor uptrend, right? Let me erase this. So now what you have to keep in mind while you're trading, you have to keep in mind the four things, which is like, you have to keep in mind trend, you have to keep in mind the support and resistance levels, you have to keep in mind the candlestick pattern, and then you have to keep in mind rejection. As you can see, this wick forming, this is a rejection, right? These wicks are rejection. You can see these wicks are showing us rejection. Let's see if I can take a trade here. Okay, my entry is very late. You have to keep in mind the entries, because entries are very essential in binary options, because if your entry is late, you may lose a winning trade. So here actually my entry was late, but I was still sure that I will win this trade because that, as you can see this level here, that because the sellers entered here very strongly, right? So see this was a previous level, so I was sure enough that the sellers will enter again. So you can see I went against the mini uptrend. I mean, like, look, like this is a hammer, right? It is suggesting that the candlesticks, that the trend wants to go up. But basically, if you remember what I said, that it is a major downtrend. This suggests that the sellers are interested. So this is why I put it here, right? So this was the video, and I hope you guys like it. If you guys have any questions, you can comment down, and I've given my group link in the description, and even my Instagram channel. And thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification if you want to watch my more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.